One of our dream renovation projects is finally complete, our walk-in closet. But it's been a long journey to get here. We bought our house back in 2005 and it needed a lot of love and renovation. We've done most of the work ourselves, tackling both big and small projects over the years. The dream of a walk-in closet has always been there, but other renovations always seem to take priority. Finally, the day came when we decided it was time to make this dream happen. We didn't have a lot of space, just a small hallway right outside our bedroom that we'd use as a home office for many years. It was cramped and dark, but we saw its potential for the perfect walk-in closet connected to our bedroom. Our daughter, whose room was on the other side of the hallway, agreed to give up a little bit of her space so we could make this happen. And that's how it all began. My husband Jesper started by tearing down the interior wall, and we rebuilt it further into our daughter's room. After spackling and painting, we were finally ready to kick off the big transformation.
Ja, det är dags för färgen. Färgöppning. Grå. Det blir nog bra.
Jesper starts painting and I start having second thoughts about the color. Ett första lager av grått. Jag hade tänkt ha grå där själva garderoben ska vara. Och vitt över allt annat. Men nu blir jag blir alltid så velig när vi kommer en bit in. Men ska den vara ljusgrå eller ska den vara mörkgrå eller ska vi bara ha den vit? When those uncertain thoughts start creeping in, it's usually best to take a break and do something else for a while. I empty our IKEA dresser for clothes. We plan to use this dresser as the base in our walk-in closet. Maybe I will get a better sense of color once the dresser is in place. I don't know. Anyway, I'm really grateful to have a husband who's always cheerful and positive, no matter how indecisive I get. By now, he's used to my decision anxiety. Honestly, he'd probably be more surprised if I didn't change my mind during a renovation project. We decided to keep ignoring the wall color for a while longer. Jesper cut off the sides of the dresser that were sticking out so we could build it in. He also trimmed a bit off the legs to get the right height, and somewhere along the way we finally made our decision. The grey paint was covered up and everything will be white instead. The walls are white and the dresser is in place and the renovation continues. Jesper is adding MDF boards on top of the dresser to create shelves and closet space above it. One by one, the MDF pieces come together, and it's almost like putting together a puzzle. With all the different angles in this space, building the walk-in closet ourselves was really the only way to make sure everything fits perfectly. The next step was getting the lights in place. Since this is, after all, a windowless room, proper lighting is a must. Jesper cut some wooden trim and glued it onto the dresser. After having this dresser for so long, it's fun to give it a new look, almost like it's brand new again. We also took the chance to swap up the knobs on the drawers for something different. The drawers are painted, and with the new knobs they already look so much fresher. Next up is the clothes rail. We went for a round oak dowel, stained a little darker with brass brackets. Such a simple detail, but it really makes the closet feel more elegant. And with that, the renovation part of our walk-in closet is finally done. Now comes the fun part, styling and organizing. Oh, but there's one wall I completely forgot to film. Here are a few photos instead. Jesper measured and marked the MDF, added trim pieces, small decorative brackets and a shelf. After that, the whole wall got a fresh coat of paint. All right, now we're back on track. The wall is finished and so is our walk-in closet. And that's it. This little dream project is finally a reality. It may not be the biggest space, but it's exactly what we hoped for. Practical, warm and truly ours. And honestly, after dreaming about this for so many years, it just feels so special to stand here, folding clothes and finally using the space. Thank you so much for following along. I can't wait to share more of our renovation projects and our garden here at Villa Sollid. See you soon.